Alright guys, we're rolling Grail Punt 321. That says 3, but it should be 321 in Darth Vader number 3, Halo 9.8. First appearance of Dr. Aphra, and second place is the Star Wars number 25, Dr. Aphra variant cover. Let's go down here. So we're going live. And that time is 11:26, and the time in Perth, WA, is just ticked on to 11:27. Sunday, 2nd of August 2020. Let's grab the list. So at spot number 1, we have Ross. We go down spot number 75, which is Tim. Copy that, I'll stick it on the list. So spot 75 down the bottom is Tim, and spot number 1 there is Ross. 3 dice roll, let's go. So 6, 12, 15. 15 is the number we're looking at. Let's get started. Good luck, everyone. Well, good luck number 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, double check that 6. 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15. We're up to roll 13. This is 14. And final roll. Good luck, everybody. So I'm not sure if anyone saw that, but 15 rolls. There you go, 15 times. We've randomized that list, and we're matching that with 15, on the 3 dice roll. Alright, let's see who's got second place. Second place goes to Dak with spot number 6, and number 1 spot goes to Ross. Whoa! So I think Ross had that with a 6 deal. Thanks, mate. Congratulations to Ross and Dak. Let's type down in here. Oops. That time there is showing 11:29, 11:30 WA time. I'm not sure why that's not syncing, but it's basically the same. Thanks, everyone.